Hello, and welcome to the Connors IT tutorial video on how to install and update your license for SAS. First, go to it.connors.wsu.edu and click Submit a Ticket to request access to the download. For the install file, you will be taken to this page, where you must download the entire zip file. The file is rather large, so this will take a few minutes. Once the file is downloaded, you can click on the file in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and then click Open on the pop-up menu. A File Explorer window will pop up and populate with the zip file. Click on Extract at the top of the window and choose a location to extract the zip file. Extracting the zip file will also take some time. When the file has extracted, navigate to where you chose to extract the file and open the folder. Click on Setup.exe. Your computer will ask for permission to open the file and make changes to your computer. Click Yes. The Installer Deployment Wizard will open now. Click OK on Choose a Language. Install SAS software will be the default selected. Click Next. The next screen will be where SAS will be installed on the computer. The default location should be fine. Click Next. Click Next again. On the Select Products to Install page, click on the box next to ODBC to add the check. Click on the box next to Enterprise to remove the check. Scroll down and click on the box next to Universal Viewer to add the check. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. On the Languages window, click Clear All so that English is the only language selected, unless you need other languages. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. SAS will then check that you have enough space on your computer. Click Next when it has finished. Then click Start to begin the install. This will take some time. When it has finished, click Next. Click Next. Then click Finish. Navigate to your Start menu and open SAS to make sure the program has installed correctly. If it has, you can now delete the zip file from your Downloads folder. If you already have SAS installed and you need to update the license, go to it.connors.wsu.edu and click Submit a Ticket to request access to the download. You will be given a link to this page. In the upper right-hand corner, click Download and select Direct Download. Once it has downloaded, click on the pop-up menu in the left-hand side of your browser and select Show in Folder. From this File Explorer window that opens, navigate to the C drive. create a folder and name it SAS License. Click the Back button to return to the downloaded license and move the license to the folder that you have created. Click on the Start menu in the lower left-hand side of the screen and type Renew SAS, and click on the Renew SAS app that pops up at the top of the menu. The computer will ask for your permission to open the folder and make changes. Grant this permission by clicking Yes. Click OK on Choose a Language. When the deployment window opens, click Next. On the next window, click Browse and navigate to where you put the SAS license in the folder C:/SAS license. Select the file and click Open. Click Next. Click Start. Click Next. Then click Finish. Click on the Start menu in the lower left-hand side of the screen and type SAS and open SAS 9.4 to verify that it is working now. If you have any issues, continue contact with Connors IT via the ticket that you have opened. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Connors IT on how to install and update SAS licenses.